Okay, so in this video we shall use service calls to control the real Open Manipulator. So I'll go ahead and launch the controller. Okay, it launches fine. Then in the new terminal I shall launch the multiple movements example, and the arm will go through its little routine. Okay, so I'll cut to a video in a second and show you the actual movement. We can just see the status pops up on the screen. Movement's finished. Code worked fine, good. Okay, so we can also control the gripper by gripper movement. You just hit enter, bang, away it goes, no problems. And then another random command, we can check the effort being exerted by each joint, just in the joint state controller, just by echoing the ROS topic joint states. So that's basically it, I think, for that example.